Hey y'all, this is Nadine here, and what we do here is review these great products as well as recipes and things like that, depending on what we're uploading. Today we are reviewing this top tier extra large mop and bucket system. This one is so much better than the other one. Stay tuned to find out why. While you're here, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Leave a comment if you have used this or you've used other bucket systems that you like. Let us know what they are below. Everything will be linked in the description. Now, this bucket system here has 3 chamber in there and has an extra long actual stick with it where it has extra parts on it. What you can do is remove one if you need it shorter or put all the little pieces in there to make it super long up high. It comes with 3 reusable mops on there. I already have one on there, but it does come with a couple of other ones. And this one is the extra large one. There is a smaller, also from X3 mops over there, where it actually is smaller than this pad here. This is the extra large one, and the way you hook it up on it, there's 3 spots on there where you're just gonna pull the mop right on it and then clip it in. It unclips and clips on both sides. Once you do that and you're ready to use it, this is the bucket system here. There's a little black plug basically at the bottom here. When you need to empty out the dirty water, you would just actually open that up above a sink, toilet, or wherever you're emptying the water and actually put it in there. This has a 3 water chamber where you have a place for the clean water and you have a place for the dirty water. Now, also the middle part over there fills with water with that little button where you just twist it right on there. Once you twist it, it's going to fill up with water, and that's where you're going to put the pad in order for you to clean it and get it wet. You don't actually put it in the other chamber. This makes sure to separate the dirty water and the clean water and not contaminate it. It's a big difference between this one and the Joy mop that's so popular right now, because this one actually doesn't get the water in there. There is water in the middle chamber that's going to wet it, so you're not going to go ahead and re-wet it in the same water and then take out some of the water. And have the one also that's not the extra large, and I love the fact that when I mop my floors, it doesn't actually leave any streaks on there. It comes out really clean, and frankly, I just love the way this one works. Unhook the top and clean it out, because the dirty water, if you just empty it out, is going to leave a ring in there. But this is a great mop. Absolutely loving it. Please ask any questions you have regarding this mop in the comments so I can make sure to cover them for you and answer any questions you have. Definitely a must-have, and definitely love it more than the O-Cedar or several other mops that I did get.